Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It.
What's up, my Brodies? It is Andrew of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, we are going to be making realistic sounding guitar samples. I don't know how many we're going to do, maybe one to three, hit or miss, depending how long it takes us. And then I'll put a link for you guys to copy these guitar samples down below for free. So whatever I make in this video, you guys can download for free. Link to them will be down in the description down below. So let's go and get started. So I'm gonna pull up let's use our piano first, and then we're gonna change it out with a guitar. I feel like that makes more sense because the piano will allow us to hear exactly that melody. I feel like sometimes whenever you pick a sound, you get bogged, but like not bogged down, but like you get your ears get distracted to what you're actually hearing, and it may not be a good melody. So let's do like a D minor one first. Let's go down. So I'm kind of freeballing it real quick, and then I'm just trying to get like the low. We should also probably do BPM. Let's type it like 120. Want to do like 126 or something. 125 is fine. Alright, so let's go to like fourth step. So we're going to kind of copy this formula throughout the different melodies. We might have to change these notes, but let's just first get the pattern over to each one, and then we're going to go change the notes maybe. So I selected all of them with a Control A and then did an Alt R to randomize it a bit. So I actually kind of like it like that. Then on this one, we're gonna let's just see. This might be much. So let's switch it out with like a guitar now, and see what it sounds like now. Because this actually might be fire. So I'm using the ample guitar Martin. Let's see if we can maybe do another like melody on this side. So let's do guitar, and let's just do some EQ. We'll put a virtual tape machine on it. So now we're just adding different effects to bring it out. We're gonna add like one more like guitar sample in there, and we're gonna see what it sounds like. We're gonna call this sample 1. Go ahead and create a new one. Why do I always have, there it is, piano. So let's label this guitar 126 BPM. We're gonna do this one at like type in export them in the correct BPM and such. Alright. Still like G for this one, or C minor. Let's switch it out with an electric guitar then. I feel like it's a little like choppy. Then maybe like some like strums in here, like chops, like dun. Dun. Alright, so there's another one. Let's just do one more. So helpers. Oh. Dun, dun, dun. We're gonna do kind of like the same thing. So now we got 3 different guitar samples. This is how to make guitar samples in FL Studio. So hopefully this was informative and you guys learned something. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to copy these samples, go to the link down below and download them. This is Andrew, Beat It AT. I'll see you guys later.